Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and now I'm gonna show you how to make your device faster. First, you need to open the settings. Afterwards, you need to scroll down and find here storage. Here in the storage, as you can see, here we have how much. Here we have the number, how much storage we have used, how much space of the storage we have used, and I have used 12%, as you can see. But if you will fill up your storage over the 70%, your device will start slowing down. So 70%, it's maybe here. So when you will fill up over the 70, your device will start slowing down. So now fill up your storage over the 70. But if you have filled, so you need to remove old apps, games, maybe photos and videos. Then go back to the settings and go back to the home screen and open the recent apps. All apps that are running at the moment, they are running in RAM, so we need to clear from time to time the RAM storage. RAM is temporary storage to keep our device in good condition. To clear all in one click, you need to click on Clear All button. That's great. That's it. As you can see, that's it. So, and the last thing you can do is to open the Files app, click Clean, and here click Clean Junk Files. Clean junk files from time to time. I suggest you use this feature maybe once a week. In this way, you can keep your device in good condition every time. That's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.